Algebra 1, solve some problems by elimination. Remember, the goal of solving a system is to answer the question, do the two lines intersect? If they intersect, if the same x gives you the same y for both equations, then there's a solution. Don't lose track of the goal. Solving by elimination, let's see, is it easy or is it hard? This one's going to be pretty easy. 16x minus 16x is 0. Minus 12y plus 7y is minus 5y. Can you see that? Better switch back to pen. Is equal to negative 40 plus 30, negative 10. Well, if negative 5y is negative 10, I can divide both sides by negative 5 and have y equals 2. 2 times negative 5 gives negative 10. Okay, am I done? Well, no, I still have to find x. So, 16x minus 12 times 2 is 24 equals negative 40. I add 24 to both sides. 16x is going to be equal to negative 16. Yep. Divide both sides by 16. X equals negative 1. Let's check and see whether I'm right. Negative 1 times 16 is 16. No, negative 1 times 16 is negative 16. Minus 24, is that equal to 40? Negative 16 minus 24 is certainly equal to negative 40. So this one checks. Negative 1 times negative 16 is positive 16. 16 plus 14, 7 times 2. 16 plus 14 is 30. So we are right and we can prove it. Our solution is negative 1, 2. Okay, let's do one more. 6x minus 6x. Okay, we can do this. 6x minus 6x is 0. Negative 12y plus negative 36y is negative 48y equals 24 plus 24 is 48. Y equals negative 1. Okay, if y equals negative 1, then 6x plus 12 equals 24, because minus 12 times negative 1 gives me plus 12. I subtract 12 from each side. 6x equals 12. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 2. Now let's check and see whether I'm right. 2 times 6 is 12. Negative 1 times negative 12 is plus 12. So we have 12 plus 12 equals 24. Negative 6 times x is negative 12. Minus 36 times negative 1 is plus 36. So 12 plus 36 is equal to 24. We are confident in our solution. 2. Negative 1 is the ordered pair. Okay. The last two are a little trickier because we have a minus 10y and a plus 5y. I think the easiest thing to do here is just write this equation over again and multiply this equation by 2. 2 times 6x is 12x. 2 times 5y is 10y. And 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 8x plus 12x is 4x. Negative 10y plus 10y is 0. 24 plus 4 is 28. If 4x is equal to 28, then x equals 7. All right. Am I done? Half done. 6 times 7 plus 5 times y equals 2. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 5y equals 2. Subtract 42 from each side. 5y equals negative 40. Y equals negative 8. Am I sure I'm correct? Well, don't know. Negative 8 times 7 is negative 56 plus 80. Is that equal to 24? Negative 56 plus 80. That is 24. 6 times 7 is 42. Minus 40 equals 2. 42 minus 40 is equal to 2. So we're right and we can prove it. The ordered pair is 7, negative 8. Once more with feeling, we have negative 4y minus 11x equals 36, and we have 10x minus 10y equals 20. This is just ugly, but not so ugly we can't do it. What do we have? We have negative 4y minus 11x equals 36. We also have minus 10y minus 10x equals 20. What to do? What to do? I suppose we could multiply this equation by 11 and this equation by negative 10, but that's a lot of really big numbers. I could also multiply this one by negative 4 and this one by positive 10, but it just seems like there has to be an easier way to solve this one than by elimination. What to do? What to do? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. What do I see here? I see negative 10y minus 10x equals 20. This is the same as if I divide every term by 10. If I divide every term by 10, that is going to give me negative y minus x equals 2. (20) divided by 10 is 2. Negative 10 divided by 10 is negative 1. Negative 10 divided by 10 is still negative 1. So now I have negative 4y minus 11x equals 36. I can multiply this equation by negative 4. Negative y times negative 4 is 4y. Negative x times negative 4 is 4x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. That gives me negative 7x equals 28. 36 minus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So x equals negative 4. And if x equals negative 4, negative y plus 4 equals 2. Subtract 4 from each side. Negative y equals negative 2, and y equals 2. That took a little more thought. Aren't you glad you learned your multiplication tables? Well, if you don't know them yet, it's never too late. So, if y is 2, then negative 10 times 2 is negative 20. Negative 4 times negative 10 is positive 40. 40 minus 20, that equals 20. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Plus 44 is equal to 36. That's true too. So our answer here is negative 4, 2. You may need to listen to this problem 2 or 3 times to make sure you understand everything I did, but the important thing is to do what I did. Don't panic. Look for a simple way. Keep working. Show all your work. We have solved systems by elimination. Are we good or what?